Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina. I'm the creative director of Nick Clothings and also the content creator of this channel. And if you are here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post my new videos. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create your tailor ham, which is popularly known as the breast ball, ironing ball, a lot of name called by the by Tailor. So stay tuned and let's get right into the video. So what you needed for this project is for you to gather all the pieces remain from your finished. So I get a fabric enough to contain all the pieces. So I packed all the pieces into the fabric, then I start rolling for me to form a round shape. So at this point, what I was doing was to tie all the pieces all together. So I was doing this and I was trying to make sure that it's come out so hard. So okay guys, the important thing in creating a tailor ham is for it to come out really hard, so hard to be able to serve the right purpose of giving you the best result. Okay, for this particular type of tailor ham or the breast ball is used to iron out curved edges such as bustier ties, whereby you just finish sewing. For you to be able to have that smooth finishing, you just have to use this tailor ham to iron out the curved edges. So at this point, what I did is to use an ST to cover it up. So it's not necessarily a big ST. You just have to ensure that the hairstay you are using is long enough because you'll be wrapping with an hairstay. So ensure that you give it a press because our final result should be a tailor arm which is solid and firm. can see in the video, I'm trying to contain I'm trying to use all the ST just to wrap it up. As you can see, I'm done with all the hairstay and it's looking really good. So if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post new videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So if you really did this, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you have anything, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Always stay good and bye.